How to create an FTP account in DirectAdmin. Firstly, you have to log into your DirectAdmin account. You have to find the FTP Management option under the Account Manager section to create an FTP account. Click on FTP Management. In FTP Management option, you can create, delete, or edit your FTP accounts. So to create an FTP account, you have to click on the Create FTP Account button, which is available on top right corner. In the Create FTP Account tab, you can find multiple options. The first option is the FTP username. You have to write your FTP username. In the second option, you have to add your FTP password. You can click on the Auto-Generated Password button to create a strong password. To view your auto-generated password, you can click on the eye icon. You can copy the password, and you can save it in a secure location. Next, you have 4 options available for the main FTP account creation page. First, the domain section allows you to create an FTP for a specific domain name. If you have multiple domains, you can create an FTP for your specific domain. The second option is FTP. It will allow the user to access the public FTP directory. The third option is the user. If you select user, then the system will allow the FTP user to access a public HTML directory. The fourth one is custom. If you want to select a custom location or directory, you can select the custom option and write to the directory if you have already created one. For example, I am creating the custom for backups only. Click on the Create button and an FTP account will be created. The pop-up shows your FTP username. You can access your FTP account with any FTP client software like FileZilla.
For swift technical support, contact us at support@itcompany.services.